Worried that your data on Office 365 might end up in the wrong hands? These days, businesses struggle to keep their data safe on apps like Microsoft Word, Excel, and Teams, especially with so many employees working remotely. But with the miniOrange CASB solution, you can solve this issue like a breeze. Here's how it works. Imagine an employee accessing Microsoft Teams or OneDrive from a personal device or an unsecured network. Without the right security, they could download or share confidential data, putting your business at risk. That's where CASB steps in. It ensures that only approved users and trusted devices can access your sensitive information, keeping it secure inside your organization. For example, you can enforce real-time security controls like network restrictions, location restrictions, device restrictions, download restrictions, and many more using CASB. This prevents both mobile and desktop devices from unauthorized access, stopping sensitive files from being downloaded or shared externally. The best part? You decide which apps your team can use. Say, if they need Teams for video conferencing and block access to OneDrive, SharePoint. CASB lets you block these apps, ensuring security without compromising productivity. Ready to protect your data? Try miniOrange MS 365 CASB today. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more security tips.